Alofa talofa, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having oysters for a mukbang. Look how massive they are, guys. And I have my daughter here with me, Chalora.
Hi guys.
Yeah, I told her to say that. No, she wanted to say it, but she really wanted. What were you going to say? You were going to say...
Oh, what's up you guys?
She wanted to do that for a joke. Anyway, so we're having oysters. Look how massive they are. Oh, I didn't bring my scissors. I was thinking I'll cut it in half, the really big ones. But anyway, we're going to do a prayer and then we're going to eat, guys. So we won't be long. Yeah, so we finally, we were waiting for someone to come and pick up their order from me. Nicole, that's our white sister. She's Balangi, but we call her our white sister because we've known her for so many years. We've gone to Samoa together. We've gone to New Zealand together. Samoa twice actually. Yeah, anyway, let's talk. Yeah, so she was a bit late picking up her order for me, and now we're gonna eat. Chalora's so hungry. I was gonna have my husband on today, but Chalora, since she loves oysters, she pushed her dad out of the way and came forward. Can you move over a bit? Holding on the chair. Yeah, come on. Move it over to her because it looks like it's a bit too close to me. And I've got the thing here. Come on, Chalora. Oh, let me tell you. Hey, we're gonna move this right here near us, so I can show the people what else we have. Maybe. Oh, I didn't get my lemon, my lime. See what happens, Nicole? Yeah, okay. Sweetheart, stop smutting at the camera and pass me a lemon. Okay, I got a lemon. La palapalare o yeah, oysters. Okay, time to eat. Ooh, there's so many. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I cut up the onions and onion, cucumber, tomato, and I drizzled it with a bit of olive oil and a bit of salt and a bit of pepper. Okay, so, but for now, we just squeeze some lemon in it too. See how much juice comes out? Because I put it in the microwave, guys. See, lemon, you can get so much juice when you put it in the microwave just for 30 seconds. Oh, guys, yeah. See how I'm sharing? Chalora doesn't even care. Cheers, guys. Chalora. That one, yum. It popped in my mouth. Anyway, where we got our oysters from, my daughter-in-law and her mum went and got them for us, so thank you so much, Mrs. Sasulu and Desiree. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Because I won't drive that far. I don't like driving far, guys. Look where I'm picking, all the way on her side. Sometimes you got to be careful because some of the oysters might have the broken shells in it. And you don't want any broken shells. Look at that. Oh.
At least from the fish market.
I have no idea, sweetheart. Oh, praise God for this food. Yeah, kurowa. Gee, I made a garlic bread there. Eat. Garlic bread, sweetheart. Oh, wow. Yeah, but yeah, see, I'm still sharing, not Chalora. Can you move over? All I feel is her knee rubbing against my knee. Troublemaker.
Do you ever have topics like? Like before you start a video, do you have like topics you talk
look at this, sweetheart.
What
It's
does
like
that mean?
sand. So this oyster had a bit of sand. Most of them are clean. That's why you always got to double check. No, I don't always think of subjects to talk about. I only come on and wing it. That's why I stutter sometimes and make boo-boos. But it's better to make boo-boos. Hey, yeah, you have to move up here. Come on, lemon. Oh, wait. Try it with garlic bread. You're gonna love it. Okay. Yeah, this is so fresh. So fresh. I think this is how many? Two dozen over here.
No, this might be 3.
No, I only added 4 count.
No, because when I started, I put a dozen. When I put 2 dozen for us. I put 24, and then you added more. You had like 6.
6.
So
There's a dozen and a half. There's some little ones. That's the ones I'm trying to get. Yes, guys. I might have chopped these up a bit too big. You know, when they chop it on TV, that's really small. Nah, I want the chunky chunk. Whoa, oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah, have a bite. Okay.
I have a fork, a special fork. These are 4 oysters.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's an oyster fork.
Yeah, and I don't have a. I got a.
Regular fork.
I know it's a regular fork. Wait.
Right.
Oh, for your shoulder, his shoulders is little what? You never mind. Oh what? Leave me alone, okay, guys? Yeah, just stop it. I don't want any sand. Yeah, you guys. Cheers.
Man, these oysters are massive.
Yeah. This is actually nice. It's got onion and olive oil. Oh, give me another one. Okay. Just got some olive oil. I put quite a bit of olive oil. Okay. Cheers again, guys. I hope it's got no sand down the bottom. Man. Happy Father's Day to everyone tomorrow. Yeah. To all you good daddies out there. Thank you very much for being good fathers to your kids. Thank you also for appreciating your gift from God, your kids. And my dad passed away, but we'll probably go and give him a bunch of flowers and say hello to him tomorrow. Say Happy Father's Day. Because my dad, he was a very, very good dad. A very hands-on dad. Worked hard for us, loved us, spoiled us. It was really good. Shalala, say a few words why you appreciate your father.
Well, you know, my dad's a very hard-working man for his family. Not for himself, but for his family. You know, I don't know how to put it. He just tries his best to make sure that we're all okay. Yeah.
And Grandma.
He's a caring man. I love my dad.
So, he's got his wife to look after, his mother-in-law to look after, his kids to look after, and also the cat. Cookie. We appreciate his hard work. The man hustles to make sure that we are right. And sometimes Chiloa's a headache to him. But then she gives him a lot of hugs and kisses and tells him she loves him nearly every day. Nearly every day, eh, baby? Should be every day.
It is every day.
Yeah, it is every day, guys. Yeah, because Chiloa's lovey-dovey. My baby Chiloa, Geneva, she says she loves me every day too. Yeah, guys. So what's so good about your dad? Must be so many to mention, but one of your best ones, huh? If you can share that with me, I would love it down in the comments section, and me and Chiloa will come and reply back to you guys. And thank you for stopping by, Wailua. Tomorrow, all the dads should sit down and all the mothers and daughters and sons all go out and make the umu, do the barbecue, go to the Asian shops to get all that goodness, those beautiful trays of food. Just make Dad feel special, because they deserve it. The good dads. Chiloa reckons she can finish all this.
Yeah, I can.
Good on you. Good on you, baby. Okay. Well, it's slowly disappearing. Oh yeah, you're right, sweetheart. Look, most of your ones are gone.
Yeah, I've already eaten like a dozen.
Are you sure? 2, 4, 6, 3, 8.
Yeah, I've eaten like 8.
This is actually nice. There was someone that mentioned, you know, like eating the oyster with onion. And then I mentioned that I'm going to try it. And today I did. I chopped up the onion real small, put it together with the cucumber and tomato. You know, cucumber and tomato for me is like one of my favourites. But with olive, not the really salty olives. Oh, salty olives. It's really so salty. Real salty. So salty, it's salty. On top of salt. Salt. Really salt. Real salt. Oh. I know, right? Why your shoulders flat? You had it cover up.
Where's the oyster? I just lemoned a. Can you guys tell me which one I?
What?
I lemoned a oyster, but I don't know what one. This one.
Did she lemon an oyster? Did you guys see that, or was she just making up a story? Are you sure?
I don't want to tip it out. Like
it's like you only squeezed the lemon. No, I think you might have ate it. Yeah. Bello, yeah, that was a massive oyster. Anyway.
They're all massive.
Can you stay on your side, mate? Hey?
No, you got more.
Listen, there. I thought you had eaten more. No, I had eaten more, but these ones are empty shells.
No, I ate more than you. We'll count.
Okay, you're the winner. Chicken dinner.
Yeah, I know.
Man.
Oysters are for everyone.
Yeah. hang on. Just scratch it up ear.
We used to eat a lot of these as kids. Recently we've been eating these a lot.
Anyway, guys, I had my daughter-in-law Vids on my last mukbang, and her family and her family from overseas, New Zealand. They have said they've seen Desiree. And then Waka Vibes, that's Waka family. Yeah, they said that one of them said that Desiree's her first cousin.
Yeah.
How awesome! Small world, small world. That's what I said before, guys. Samoans, Islanders. There's a tree, right? And the branches, there's so many branches, and one of those branches is our branch. And then we sort of meet, and that's why families try and have their reunions, you know, so they don't have any crisscross. What about that song, eh? Crisscross. Yeah. Don't even know which one I'm talking about, eh? You know that. You know which one I'm talking about? Well, are you weakening? Are you weakening?
No, my lip gloss is gone. And yesterday I got a cut on my lip and now the lemon's like going in it. But it's... Okay, if you see me looking over here, it's because there's a mirror. So...
Yeah, and that's my mirror. So I can check on any goatee, you know.
What's
and
goatee?
she hogged it to herself. And I can't even see if I've got another goatee. Well, if I used the mirror properly last time, I would have seen my goatee and wipe it off. No, I had some food last time. And then when I went to wipe, a white food stood here and it's like a goatee. I called it a goatee. You know, a goatee? A whisker.
Stop!
I got no more lemon. And don't try and bite me.
Replay! I did not try to edit it. Make a replay. I did not try to buy her. Jeez. Jeez Louise.
Yeah. That's the one from our lemon tree. Oh!
How do you know?
Because it doesn't give enough juice. Excuse me, guys. Have a colored bread, baby.
You know what you should have done?
What?
Like before you cut them, you like roll them on a table.
Whatever.
Yeah.
What? I talk about lemon.
Yeah, like you roll it on the table.
You put it in the microwave 30 seconds and it comes out, bam.
You roll it on
Lucky
the
your
table.
face wasn't full because when I went bam.
You roll it on the table and it releases the juices, and then when you cut it, it squeezes it, babe, it just comes out.
Excuse you, Jamie Oliver.
You know, if the shoe fits, wear it.
Well, I've got shoes.
As a villager. I'll make it seem like they're a villager.
Is there another lemon there that works?
I got one more! And 2 lemons left.
Greedy?
Oh, no, babe.
No.
Oh. Babe, have fun.
Next time, just listen.
No, I didn't see this.
See how there's so much juice that comes out? You bung it in the microwave. That's so many, and that's not your oyster.
It is my oyster!
It's more on this side. Okay, it's yours. Don't touch mine. See, that's how we share. Share is good. Stealing is not. Stola. My mum, she calls it stola. She goes, yeah, vai stola. Yeah, but it's stealing or something.
Okay.
That's a big oyster. Anyway, guys, I've got 2 more. Eyes of Chalora. You want to try it with the cucumber? Just try one.
No, because it's my last one, and if I don't like it, I'm going to be upset because it's my last one.
Okay, what if I give you one of my ones?
Oh, fine, I guess.
Okay, wait. Oh, yeah, have this one. No, this is too big. Yes, sweetheart. I just give you one little scoop. Look at you grabbing the oyster real fast. Yeah, there we go. It's so good. I'm going to have me garlic bread. Is it nice? It's nice with the olive too, olive oil and pepper and a little bit of salt. Yeah, nice. Told you.
I mean, it's alright.
Come on.
What are you worrying about? My oysters.
What guys? Didn't we do well? Yeah.
Rabbis. Wrist. So when I don't.
See, that's what you get. Lucky last. Lucky last. Baby, go get the rest. Nah, just save for Dad. Remember, we were supposed to have 2 dozen each.
Not each.
I bought 5 dozen.
Oh.
So we were meant to have 2 dozen each and 1 dozen for Dad.
Okay, there was like 30 on this plate.
I should have.
And that's enough.
Say you.
That's enough.
Look at it.
For you.
The thing is, your bunch looks more than my bunch.
Because I had more than you. Can we count?
You can't just help yourself. Oh, that's a big shell. Get it? It's a massive shell. Was it your last one? Oh, anyway, guys.
Oh no, my lips are burning.
Oh, my last one. Yeah. We had 2 dozen each. Come and get the tray. Okay.
Because we can save them for everyone else too.
Everyone else my foot. Desiree got these from me. Guys, look at this. Warm up. Oh.
I look dark.
We were supposed to have 2 dozen each.
Babe, get over it. Oh, you look like you only had like 9.
Yeah, that's why I
So
feel.
I had more, babe.
I feel ripped off.
Here, want to count? Oh, yeah, I had so much more. Whoa, what are the chickens? It's so low.
I was getting ready to sing my song. Samoa, July.
You know what? I like the national anthem of New Zealand.
They were singing the national anthem for Samoa, and my mum knew all the words. Oh, she got dementia, but she remembered every single word, word for word. I thought, right, I'm going to learn how to sing it. Learn all the words. So when I hear it again, I'm not just going to stop where I just stopped because I don't know the rest of the word. But anyway, Samoa and all the Cook Islands out there, and all the Fijians. Oh, Pulavanaka, I have some Fijians watching too, so. What? Have I got a goatee? Where did you wipe that tissue? Where did you wipe that tissue?
Come on, go. Let's go. Hurry!
Bye guys. Just go. Bye guys, you guys. Okay, this is my 7th goodbye because of you. Ora whakinga ulu ia le ken kiki.
Keep this in.
Rio whasia oi.
Keep this in.
I will. So they know you're naughty. Take care, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me and Chalora. It's been awesome to have you guys join us and watch us eat all this delicious food. Very blessed today. So now we're going to go and find the rest of the oysters so we can put it on a plate, take it for Tangaroa and say, ta-da! Happy Father's Day! And there's only about 8 oysters on the plate. All because of Chalora, because she eats too much. Okay? She eats too much oysters. So Chalora, you say goodbye.